If you've missed your duration however get a negative pregnancy test result, you may be feeling puzzled. Are you pregnant? If not, then why haven't you gotten your period? First off, do not panic. There are numerous factors you can miss a period and not get a positive pregnancy test, including a false unfavorable result. Here are some of the most likely descriptions: you are not pregnant, and your period is late for another reason. The most typical explanation: you are pregnant, but the pregnancy hormonal agents have not developed enough yet to be found. You are pregnant, but the test is not working properly. You are pregnant, but there is something wrong. Less typical: many of the time, the uncertainty will solve in a few days. You'll either get your duration or you'll take another test and find that you are pregnant. Less often, something is wrong, but this is uncommon. Here's an overview of a few of the factors for a negative pregnancy test when you have actually missed your duration. The most common factor for a false negative is that you took the test too early. Even if your duration is late according to your common cycle, you may have ovulated later on in the month. It's not unusual to sometimes have an off or irregular cycle. Additionally, your count of when your last duration happened could be a few days of rests. If ovulation happened later on in the month, you will need to test later. There are numerous reasons you might ovulate later on than you normally do. Pregnancy tests search for the pregnancy hormone HCG, which increases as a pregnancy advances. The typical range for HCG levels in pregnant people can vary commonly. An early pregnancy test might get very low quantities of HCG. Nevertheless, it's possible that you don't have sufficient distributing HCG to get a favorable result even on a sensitive test. This does not mean anything is wrong. How much HCG you have isn't important, rather, it's how rapidly your levels double and increase, and this can just be determined with a blood test. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Website, alfalfaballoon.com